Welcome to Take a Minute. I'm Noemi, and in these stressful times, I'm here to share some tips with stay-at-home moms, working moms, and everything in between moms.
In this week's Take a Minute, let's talk about banking for kids. This year, Money Smart Week is from April 9th to April 16th, 2022. To help celebrate Money Smart Week, let's learn more about banking for kids. Your child's first banking experience. As a parent, you might find it intimidating to open a bank account for your child, especially if they are very young or it's their first banking experience. However, it can be very beneficial and it will teach them some very important skills. Among these skills includes basic banking concepts such as adding and withdrawing money, basic budgeting skills such as learning to spend less than what they earn, the importance of saving even if it's just a few dollars per month. It also helps them get a head start on long-term savings goals such as saving for college, and it also helps them with the benefits of long-term financial goals in general that will help them throughout their adult lives. And now the basics of banking. By law, children under the age of 18 are prohibited from having sole ownership of deposit accounts, such as checking and savings account, unless the child is emancipated. However, most U.S. banking institutions will have special deposit accounts available for parents to hold with their child. The type of account you choose for your child would depend on the age and maturity of your child and on what your financial institution has available. For the most part, there are 3 types of accounts available for your child: a joint accounts, custodial accounts, and prepaid debit accounts. On joint accounts, likely if you are married, you know how a joint account works. The difference is that with children, you will likely be the only one to provide funds to the account. So here are some features of a joint account. First off, you can set a strict spending limit for your child. You can decide how much or how often to add money. These are perfect for day-to-day expenses, and they're good for short to medium-term savings goals. But beware, by law, savings accounts limit withdrawals to 6 per statement cycle, which means if you exceed that, you are subject to penalty fees. Under custodial accounts, they are more complex and are governed by UGMA and UTMA guidelines. In custodial accounts, the child is the owner of the account. However, the parent or legal guardian may serve as the custodian of the account until the child reaches the legal age of maturity. In most cases, banks limit custodial accounts to cash deposits only. This type of account are not good for day-to-day spending because the funds cannot be accessed without the custodian. They are, however, good for long-term savings goals. Prepaid debit accounts. The third option is a prepaid debit card. This is often used as a first step for parents that are unsure about opening a bank account for their child. Prepaid debit cards can be bought from many stores, including Walmart and Target, and come with Visa, American Express, or a MasterCard logo. There are also some prepaid debit card accounts specifically designed for kids today. They are available for children as young as 6 years old, and some of their features include earning, spending, and saving goals and limits set by parents, chore lists with earning potential for the kids, notifications for the parents, but beware, some of these do come with a monthly fee. As a special note, you should know that you should do some research, check with your financial institution, and compare different options. For more information on teaching your kids about money or banking, visit the McAllen Public Library at www.mcallenlibrary.net. And this is Take a Minute.
This has been Take a Minute. I'm Noemi with the Palmy Branch Library, asking you to take a minute to take care of yourself so you can take care of your family.